A while ago I came up with this rhythm. I thought this is a great warm-up exercise because it has everything. You play 8 notes, you play doubles, you play a burst of 16 notes, so you really move in your hand. And the great thing about it, you don't even need your drumstick for this. So you can do it anywhere and you have like a quick, fast warming up. So here's what the rhythm looks like and how it sounds. You see it starts with an 8 note, then 2 16th notes followed by another 2 16th notes, then 2 8 notes and then a burst of 16th notes. So in the end, if you combine it with the 1, you have like 5 notes fast behind each other like this. So you can see how this is great for warming up your hands. Now here's it with the metronome. Of course, you can also play this with your drumsticks. So here we are behind the practice pad. We're going to do the same thing, but now play the rhythm with the drumsticks. You can either play it one hand at a time or both hands at the same time like this. And you can add dynamics in there if you want. Something like that. So you can see a really simple, effective warm-up exercise you can do anywhere without your drumsticks. So if you like what I'm doing here, please support my channel by either donating or buying my drum merch. Both of the links are in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.